Welcome to Glitz and Glam. I'm your host, Gretchen Pleshaw. I'm so excited to be here at the Mangat Copit Plastic Surgery and Skincare. Let's go in. I'm here with the incredible Dr. Mangat. I'm so excited. We are here at Mangat Copit Plastic Surgery and Skincare, and I am so excited to introduce you to him and hear about all the incredible things that you guys have to offer.
Well, thank you. So if you can think about personal enhancement, face or body or skin, we offer that. So we're kind of an all-inclusive provider of surgical and non-surgical personal enhancement. We are kind of surgery specialists in this practice in that I specialize just in the face and neck. And Dr. Copit, he does face and neck but specializes in body procedures. So we're able to really focus in on certain procedures that are of interest to people. Common things like facelifts and eyelid lifts and brow lifts and rhinoplasties, forehead lifts, chemical peels, laser resurfacing. And then Dr. Copit does a lot of breast augmentation, breast reduction, tummy tucks, mommy makeovers. At certain stages in people's lives, they find that it's not only aging process, maybe some sun changes, and following childbirth. There are certain needs that people have, and so we try to fulfill all of those. And then on the non-surgical side, a significant part of our practice is providing those non-surgical enhancements, things like Botox, Dysport, now Daxify. These all try to get rid of expression lines. And then fillers and injectables that enhance the face otherwise in terms of restoring volume to the face that you've lost with age or genetics. And then we have a variety of technologies that do skin resurfacing, getting rid of red and brown spots, tightening the skin with radiofrequency microneedling, things like that. So, the menu is rather extensive. But overall, I would say that our focus is always on producing that natural, never had surgery look. And I think that's most people, that's what they want.
Well, and that's what I was going to say is so special about you guys is I know many people like myself who have come in here, and you make people feel so beautiful and look so natural. Just enhancing their beauty is the main factor here. It's not about transforming into something different. It's just enhancing your natural beauty, which I love.
Absolutely, and you don't ever do the same thing on every person. You have to tailor the procedure for their particular needs based on their facial structure, proportions, their personality. All of those things come into play. But ultimately, we really like what we do because we're helping people in ways other than when you typically think of going to the doctor to have, an appendectomy or knee surgery or whatever, these are personal type of goals people have where they want to feel good about themselves. And so that's what we try to do.
I'm here with my friend Chloe Banning. How are you doing, Chloe?
So good, Gretchen. Thank you.
So Chloe and I go way back because I am going to give a little bit of props to Chloe because she's amazing. She works over here and she does amazing Botox, and you do so much more than that. Botox, fillers, etc., all things beauty related.
Yeah, the bread and butter of my practice is injectables, so Botox and fillers. I also do a lot of skin treatments such as lasers, microneedling, as well as assist my patients with skincare regimens for at home.
And I love it because you can see Chloe's face is so beautiful. Her skin is amazing and glowing. And truly, when I first met her, I was like, this is what I want. And so I feel like you do such a brilliant job. So many people across the valley come to you, and you really enhance people's beauty and help them feel good from the inside out. And that's, I know, something that's really important to you here.
Yes, definitely. I think that is my favorite part of my job is just when their confidence is boosted. I love seeing that smile that comes across their face. That truly is is the best part of treating patients.
So Chloe, I know you do skincare routines, you do Botox, you do fillers, you do all these amazing things. What is your favorite thing to do here?
Oh man, that's such a hard question. I mean, I think two things: Botox, because it's a home run every time. Everyone loves Botox. And then I also really love fillers as well, because you actually see it as it's happening. You see the lifting effects, you see the wrinkles improving, you see the lips becoming more hydrated. So you see it in action, and I just really love that about fillers. You know, when you're looking for an injector, you want someone that's going to tell you the truth, and that may say no if you don't need a treatment. So yeah, I think just making sure that I'm giving the best recommendations for my patients is always the most important thing for me.
And Chloe, I was going to ask you too, how long have you worked here?
Yeah, so I've been here for almost 3 years, and before I was practicing here, I was working at a dermatology office in Las Vegas, doing both medical and cosmetic dermatology.
And I actually have to tell you too, I found Chloe on Instagram. I was so excited. So many women were sharing about their amazing experience with you and showing all the different things they could. And I remember asking one of my girlfriends how I could get your number, how I could get your name, and then now you're blowing up.
Thanks. Yeah, I think Instagram is a great way for me to showcase my skill set, showcase my personality. So yeah, feel free to check out my Instagram.
And that's a good kind of segue here too. I was wondering if people are excited and after meeting you and seeing the amazing work you do, I know they will be, how can they get a hold of you?
Yeah, so best way is to call the office to schedule a visit. I do free consultations, so do the doctors as well. So feel free to just give the office a call to schedule a free consultation.
I'm here with Dr. Copit. I'm so excited at the Mangat Copit Plastic Surgery Institute and Skincare. How are you doing today?
I'm good, thank you.
I love the space. I love the people here. And I really love that you make people feel naturally beautiful and make them feel good from the outside in, I should say.
Well, we try. We want, their external appearance to sort of match better how they feel inside. So most people feel younger at times as they age than they look. And so our goal is to sort of get it all in symmetry and help people look and feel younger.
So I know you do so many different things, and if you could tell us some of those things.
Well, we do, what our goal here is to have a state-of-the-art, full-service cosmetic surgery center. So from surgery, skincare, non-invasive body sculpting procedures, we feel that we have everything that anybody might want or need. Our goal is to have you come in and tell us what bothers you, and we know that we have something to address it. We do cosmetic surgery from head to toe, which sounds like a lot, but it's really probably about 10 operations. But I think really the art of it is when you can really fit the patient with an operation that'll get them a safe and natural result, and then you see them afterwards. I mean, whether it's a rhinoplasty or facelift or tummy tuck, or I don't know that the actual surgery is as interesting at this point in my career as just sort of getting the right fit for the patient.
We want to thank the incredible people at Mangat Copit Plastic Surgery and Skincare. I'm your host, Gretchen Pleshaw. We'll see you next time.